G'day adventurers, thank you for tuning in. In today's video, I'm gonna open up the DJI Osmo Action 4. This is the adventure combo, and when going for DJI products, I always recommend going for the actual combos. You do get more value for money that way. You do get a few extra bits and pieces, and in the long run, I always find, especially when you're buying a drone, you always end up buying more of the pieces anyway. So it's just better just to go the actual combos. All right, this is the front of the box. And then we have the back. We also have the sides. Nice couple of pictures down the sides. It's a very nice, pretty, just a regular, your regular basically box at the end of the day. All right, now, just gonna pull this side a bit here, just to open that one. All right, let's open it. Ooh. So straight away when you open it up, across there, you've got the accessories, you've got the Osmo Action 4. So we're gonna open it up because I want the accessories. And I'm gonna open up the accessories first. All right, silica gels, USB-C to USB-C charger. Do have the magnetic clip. Just there. This one does come with the charger as well. So this does hold all 3 batteries where you can charge them all 3 at the same time. Very handy once you can actually open it, would be fantastic. And it does, oh, how cool is that? So it does automatically have the 3 batteries inside, 1, 2, and 3. I will put numbers on here. I always like to make sure I evenly distribute my battery. So I'm gonna put a 1, 2, and 3. So this way they get an even charging through and an even usage. It's just something that I like to do. I've always done with all my drones. So I've always thought that's just a good idea. You also do have lens cap there as well, which we'll open that shortly. And in here, you also do have some stickers, and you just have the actual Osmo Action guide. Now, down the very bottom, you do have the selfie stick as well, or selfie stick or extension rod. Now this is, it just feels quality. This actually feels really good. I do really like the feel of that. It does have the DJI Action there. And it is telescopic to 1.5 meters. That is a very, very long pole. Beautiful. Also, you can screw it onto a tripod mount there as well. And can't take that off, but that's for the quick. Perfect. Let's chuck that there. All right, and that's pretty much from that point. Then we have the Osmo Action itself in here. So if we open this part, it's the camera, it's the housing. It's all sticking to my fingers. Another one of the magnetic mounts. Put the screws. An adhesive mount. So this one where you can stick onto helmets and that sort of stuff. You also do have the cage. This cage as well also means that you can go from that side to, once it's connected, down to there as well. So you can go vertical, and then you can also go underneath as well. All right. And now, the last but not least, the camera. Just feels so light. Actually, I might just open up this. Okay. It does come with a warning with this one here because it's just like a cap, but it does mean that it's not waterproof if you do use that. So we'll try that there. It feels so good. So good to rip them off. Love it. Now also, above here, I'm actually recording with the GoPro, and I just feel like that's just really ironic. I'm opening up a DJI Action camera with my GoPro just sitting above here doing the desk stuff. I think that's pretty funny. Now, obviously, as you can see, that had the 3 batteries automatically in there, which should mean that there is no batteries in here at the moment. So let's open up this. Nope. Let's take this one here out. Now, we did purchase this one ourselves, and also we got $55 off this from JB Hi-Fi. So the full total, it was $819 off the top of my head, and we got $55 off that as well. So if you do go to JB Hi-Fi, just tell them that Jamie sent you. Well, actually, they're not going to know who I am, so that's just pointless. Don't worry about that. But just ask for a better deal and see if they do give you one. All right. Now, I'm not going to go on the specs, this camera there. They're just all over the internet at the moment. But then, as you can see, as you turn it on, now I did turn it on just by the side there. You also can turn it on or record directly from there. And we obviously want thing. So from this point, basically all I've got to do now is just activate it, get it all turned on. So that's everything that comes in the DJI Action for a Venture combo. Now just remember there are other combos available. So if you're into cycling, motorbikes, that sort of stuff, there are different combos available. This is the one that suits me the best because where we're going, we are going to Disneyland, and I wanted to really try the nightlight in this bad boy. So I'm going to really thump that out while we're going on a few rides and that sort of stuff. And it's also got a few more batteries. It has the rod. It has, you know, an extra magnet mount. So it's got everything here that I basically need to get started. Once again, I've got a GoPro that's just sitting up the top there. So I can actually use a lot of the GoPro mounts because they click into basically there, but then I can still just use the quick mount as we go. So that's one thing that is absolutely fantastic. I've only had a Action camera in the future beforehand. They've all been GoPros. I've never had an Action, a DJI Action camera. So this is my very first one. So I'm hoping this is going to be nice and tidy. I'm very looking forward to some of the footage that comes out of it. If you are new to the channel, definitely smash that subscribe button. If you like the video, hit that like button. It really does help out the video. As always, I do hope you have a really good day. I was going to say video day. I don't know what's going on. Anyway, thanks for watching. Cheers, mate.